In this task, we need to create an inventory file and then this playbook. If do ls, we don't have anything here. So let's create inventory and then it's for all app servers. So Ansible alias name is step01 Ansible underscore host stap01 and then Ansible underscore user Tony Ansible underscore ssh underscore password. That's Iron Man. And then stap02 Ansible underscore host stap02 and then Ansible underscore user Steve Ansible underscore ssh underscore password. So that's America. And then stap03 Ansible underscore host stap03 Ansible underscore user banner Ansible underscore ss underscore password. That's big green. So that looks fine. So now we can check with ping module Ansible -i inventory. So we're going to ping all of them and then -m module. I'm going to use ping module. So if you see ping pong success, then that's good. Yeah, we got 3 ping pong, so that looks good. Now create a playbook. So playbook.yaml, you can name play name anything. Copy files, I could say host on all of the hosts and then tasks and then I'm gonna create a task. Copy, you can name it anything, index.html to /opt dba. Now I'm gonna use copy module. So let's say Ansible copy module. Scroll down to get an example. We can see source and destination. So source, and so inside the copy, source is /home Thor Ansible. Sorry, my bad. It's in here. /user source dba index.html and then destination test /opt dba. That looks fine. Now run this Ansible -playbook and then inventory and the playbook name, the file name. Okay, we made some mistakes. Okay, YAML is very strict about its syntax. Let's copy. Oh, we need to give a space over here. That looks good. Now rerun. So this is the play name and this is the task name. That looks fair. opt dba not writable. For checksum. create a playbook file. Okay, then what we can do actually, we can say here become yes if it needs root privileges. It's like sudo. So let's rerun. Now it succeeded. Now what we can do, we can run echo command to check Ansible all -i inventory and then -a ls-l inside /opt gba. Now you can see index file in all app servers. 1, 2, 3. That looks good. Now check the task results. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.